Hey, what's up everybody? Watch how easy it is for me to go ahead and build a quick chat with me, opens in Messenger, live chat button right here on my website, right? Here I am in the builder view, and all I've got to do is put a link behind this button. It's going to be an external link that I'm going to pop right in here. So I'm going to open up my Manychat account, which by the way is only $15 a month for the pro, right? For up to 500 subscribers, which is huge. So watch this. I'm going to go to my automations tab. I'm going to click new automation, and let's just go ahead and start from scratch. So my new trigger is going to be right here, but I'm just going to make this a messenger bot. So first thing I'm going to do is type in my first message into the node. All right, so there's my first message in my first node. So when somebody hits that trigger, hits the button, they're gonna get, hey, thanks for reaching out to Fast Pages 365, ask your question. I will get back to you as soon as possible. But you know what? I just realized I made a mistake. Let me cut this and put it into a user input box or node. Paste it right here. Get rid of that. All right, there. So now this is my question. So now I can click into this, and the reply type is going to be text. It's going to save the information to a custom field, which is going to be Fast Pages 365 question. I've already got that field created. If I did not have that field created, I would just have to click this plus user field right here. So I click that, it's going to save that response to that custom field. So when somebody asks me a question, bam, goes right in there. Now watch this. When they reply, action node, let's see here. Here we go, notify assignees. So I click into notify assignees, and I'm just going to put in here. Okay, so I'm going to leave this view in live chat button checked because I want that to be able to pop up when I get my notifications. And I'm going to get my notifications via email, Telegram, and text, right? Because I've got those all set up on my account. So now I'm going to get notifications 3 different ways from my Manychat bot when somebody's got a question and they want to reach out to me. So now, once they respond, the next step gets triggered, which is right here, Messenger. I'm just going to go. All right, thanks for your question. I've notified Tim. He'll get back to you ASAP because he did, right? There's the notify assignees. There's the smiley face, and that's pretty much it. Now, if I wanted to, I could drop a logo in here. So let's go ahead and do that just for fun. Pop. So I open up this node again, and I'm going to put in here a picture. Click into it. I'm going to pop that on top. There we go. So now when somebody clicks it, they're going to see my logo. Hey, thanks for reaching out. Ask your question. I get notified. They get responded to. All right, cool. Now this new trigger, let's go ahead and click this. Now we're going to want this to be messenger, so that's already selected. So you can see there's a bunch of different triggers here. Let's go with user clicks a referral link. That link is what I'm going to put in my button. Copy that to the clipboard. There it is. Hit save. Hit set live. All right, everything's live. Let's go back to my website and watch this. External link, paste. Let's caption this. We're gonna make this a no follow link because it's not part of a website or anything. We're gonna have it open in a new tab. There we go. Hit save. Now, here we are back on my website. Check this out. Refresh the page, right? So here's my page, and here's my button. And you can see down in the bottom left-hand corner, there's the ref URL. Watch what happens when I click it. All right, so there is my logo There's my welcoming message. So now I'm going to go ahead and type a question. There's my question, and there's my automated response. All right, now check this out. There is my text notification right there. Tim Armstrong has a question about fast pages. Check it in live chat right here. There's my Telegram notification right there. View it in live chat. And there is my email notification right there. And I can view it on Manychat right there, just like that. And just so you can see what happens here, when I click into live chat, I can open this up and see the conversation and either answer it on my mobile device or on my desktop. How cool is that? Live chat on your website for $15 a month with Messenger. You can have automations like this with text as well.
Tim Armstrong is really the man with the plan.